gosh, guys. Okay, so this girl and I are trading her Roblox account for my Miss Goldie, my red one. And I just tried to log in. I was going to be like, I'm going to delete the record that's publishing right now about me changing my face and exposing people. If this works, then guess what? It worked. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised. She has 50 friends, and let's check. She said I can check it out before I give Miss Goldie. Thanks so much. Wait, but she's not VIP. I don't know if I can gift it. Crap. Okay. So, let's check it out. I'm so happy right now, guys. Okay, wait. I thought I took out. Okay. Okay, let's see. She has 3 Robux. She has 3 Robux. Okay then. Okay, phew, I was gonna be like, oh, I shouldn't have the hair I like. I don't know if I want this account anymore. It's like, yeah. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. To be honest with you, I don't even have that much glasses. Ew. Oh, wait, actually, I've seen a lot of people have those. Okay. Hold up. Shirts. Bra, are you serious? She bought a bra. Oh my god. Why? She has like a lot of clothes I have too. Okay. She can retrieve it too. She said if you hack me, she said if you don't give Miss Goldie equals retrieve. And I'm like, wait, you have your mail in it? She said, yeah, I can change it though. I said, okay. Mind if I check it out real quick and record? She said, yeah, okay. I said, has so much recording. I'm still checking it out, almost done. She said, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. I'm probably gonna get my, I'm probably gonna keep my old account though. I was about to say, I'm probably gonna give it to my friend, but it has one limited item, cause I used to have a lot, but someone hacked me and deleted all my limited items. I had a 15,000 Robux face. I know, it's really depressing. Oh my gosh, she actually gave it to me, guys. Oh, I have the shirt. I like it a lot. Why does she have so much? Oh, wait, this is cute. Whoa, there's so much, guys. I don't even have this much. Okay. Is she VIP? Please be VIP. Oh, crap. Have my account. Okay, I'm gonna try to glitch it. Cause I can glitch rare eyes. I can glitch VIP eyes onto noob accounts. So, oh my god. Let's just try this. Okay, let's find the page where the red one is. Wait. She's making me lag because, when you lag, then you can, it works better. So, hurry up. Keep on lagging me. Okay, where is the red one? Lag's getting for real. Where's my red Miss Goldie? I know I have it. So I just saw it in the video I did. Oh well. Okay, I just gotta gift her this. Did it work? No. Just checking that she doesn't log me out right after I gift it. Wait. I think I've traded on this account. I think people have said scan for you, my guest book. So I created this account 2 days ago. It's March 2nd right now. It's April 2nd, so I created it like on the last time. What the frick? Oh my gosh, this girl wrote a bio user too. What the frick? This is the girl I was trying to expose on my other video, but I couldn't find her. Everybody that wanted to trade her ghost her, she would block. When they gave really good offers and put it in a trade, she would just deny it and block, even though they made a deal. I just want to do this because after I gift Miss Goldie, she can retrieve it. So I'm just gonna finish at least put pants on her. Are these cute or ugly? My friend Maddie's going to be literally shocked. Okay. Let me go. Where is settings? Why can't I find... Oh, settings right here. Settings. I can't... Okay, I'm just gonna pause real quick. And then come back to you guys because I'm entering my email. Okay, so... Did it work? Okay, good. It's done. Dean Spam like me. I tried making lags our book, but it did not work. I was lagging so badly that it X'd me out of the whole MSP app. Okay, what's your turn now? Wait. Oh crap. I didn't even send that much gifts today! Wait. Oh gosh, I'm so laggy now that I can't say anything. His white blush, childish souls. And I can put it in trade, and you can yeah, you're not logging in my account. I'm sorry, but I don't want anyone on my account after what happened today. My other account got hacked, but after I got it back, because this girl and me were going to swap accounts. Alright, she blocked me. My account, that's level 20. me and her were gonna swap accounts, but she blocked me and she lied about her other account because it wasn't even hers. She said that this account was hers, but I was texting that person and she said, what are you talking about? And I'm like, no wonder why she said that she was in it, but she would never actually tell me the real pass to this account. She would never message me, she would never friend me on it, she was never on it. Like, that makes more sense. Oh, she's wearing the hair I was trying to glitch. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. But it's her, so I guess she doesn't know that's from My Little Pony. It's pretty cute too. Oh my gosh, Maddie's on! Wait, did she just go offline? Did she just go offline? She just went offline. Wait, where's Maddie? Maddie was online, but then she just went offline. Maddie, come back online. I swear that's her. Oh, it's Lena. No, it died. Okay. Or this is Maddie trying to log on to Lena's account because Maddie gave her this. Me, Maddie, and Lena are all the squad. No, we're all friends. We all know each other in real life. Is this Lena or is this Maddie? Okay, now this is just awkward. I don't know who that is. Maddie gave this account to me, Lena. Hey, what's up? Lena. Maddie, come back. Okay, so I'm gonna give her the Cute Pumpkin Pie account for her Roblox account because I can't glitch Miss Goldie. That was the Roblox account, but I'm changing the password, so don't try to get in, anybody, because I'm changing the password right after this video. I'm not going to be like the other video when I said I was going to change it, but I never did. Anyways, that's the password from the Roblox account right now, but I'm going to change it. So you guys can't hack me. Yeah, so let's log on to, this one has rare eyes, so I'm just going to give it to her. Cute, it's pumpkin pie. And like, this one has the rare Xmas eyes. To be LO 123, I'm Rec, so change it after you log in. Load. Do I have my mail on here? I don't know. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Just gonna change it to... By the way... Just checking if this is still on this. Okay. Understand. There we go. I don't know her username. Diamond. Oh, okay, she logged on. Okay, that's good. This is my new account, Lena. So